How to erase all data from your iPhone or iPad. As long as you use a passcode. iOS devices are hardware encrypted. That means making your data inaccessible is as simple as throwing away the encryption key. iOS will still erase everything, however, and return you to the setup process so that you have a clean device to start over with or sell. 1. Launch the Settings app from the home screen of your iPhone or iPad. 2. Now tap on General. 3. Scroll to the bottom and tap on Reset. 4. Tap on Erase all content and settings. 5. Tap on Erase now. 6. Enter your passcode. 7. Enter your Apple ID password to turn off Activate Lock and remove the device from Find My iPhone. Once the wiping process is complete, you can set up as a new device, restore from a different backup, or give or sell your device to someone else without worries.